Refugee, pages 236 through 284 quiz. You're first going to put your first name in the box here. You will then write your last name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. Choose the best answer for each question below. Number 1. What was the mood of the adult passengers of the St. Louis while they cruised the American coast? A. Sad and somber. B. Happy and joyful. C. Envious. D. Boastful. Number 2. The passengers aboard the St. Louis were allowed to disembark the ship in America. A. True. B. False. Number 3. How did Isabel and Amara save the boat from going under the water? A. They bailed out enough water to allow the boat to float. B. Moved the engine from the boat. C. They got everyone off the boat. D. The boat was not in any danger of going under the water. Number 4. Which of the following did not happen during the taxi ride to Hungary? A. Mahmoud's family had a gun pointed at them. B. Mahmoud's family was robbed. C. Mahmoud's father was forced to drive the taxi. D. Mahmoud and his family were forced out of the taxi. Number 5. How did the Hungarians feel about the refugees from Syria coming into their country? A. They welcomed them with open arms. B. They were building a wall to keep them out. C. They were hesitant to let them in but wanted to help. Number 6. What was Joseph and the other passengers' plan to keep the ship from returning to Germany? A. They were going to jump from the ship into the water and swim to the U.S. B. They were going to try to steer the ship back to Cuba. C. They were going to overthrow the captain and his crew. D. They were going to appeal to the U.S. Coast Guard for help. Number 7. Isabel's mother stated, "Geraldo," Mommy said again. It started. What is she referring to? A. The family is going back to Cuba. B. Their new life in America has started. Or C. Her labor has started. Number 8. What caused Mahmoud's pain at the Hungarian border? A. He was beaten by a soldier. B. He was in pain from hunger. C. He had tear gas in his eyes. Number 9. How many days and nights would Joseph and the remainder of the passengers have spent on the boat when they disembarked on June 21st? A. 20 days and 20 nights. B. 30 days and 30 nights. C. 40 days and 40 nights. Or D. 60 days and 60 nights. And number 10. Who sacrificed him or herself to allow Isabel and the rest of the group to reach the Miami coast? A. Ivan. B. Isabel's father. C. Lito, Isabel's grandfather. Or D. Isabel's mother.